event that there's a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally as oxygen is flowing even if the mask is not
double
inflated.
check. I probably need to replace all the props, which I'll probably do, and I do have some new prop guards coming. So this puppy is probably in need of a major overhaul. So we'll do that. But let's fly it one more time. Yes. Last flight of the weekend. And we will be 5 flights in. So, got some football games going on just in time. Yeah, bye.
With my friends in the hot sand, I got a song blasting by the Zach Brown band, yeah. I got a case of cold beer, ain't gonna last long here. I'll pick my friends up at the pier. They're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is a way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Getting the buzz around 3 o'clock, tanning in the bed of my big truck, waiting on the right heat on the barbecue. Big old waves and a clear sky, life's good out here, and I wonder why anybody would ever leave this place. Yeah, the bar at the beach sells margaritas in the big shelves. Let's all go crazy, baby. We're all like kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is a way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. Everything's alright. It's a small town summer night. Oh yeah, and I feel like kicking it. Kicking it high, kicking it low, making noise like a big truck show. Raising hell is the way to go. Yeah, we're kicking it fast, kicking it slow, bouncing around like a rodeo. Bad girls wanna rock and roll. Yeah, we're kicking it. We're kicking it.
Anyway, later, Dad Random. Learning FPV on Sunday. Guys, fly for fun. Always fly for fun. And with FPV, pretty much that's all you're doing. Later and bye. Dad Random. Like and subscribe. Pretty good day. Later.